Today we're here at Universal Studios for the 60th annual Tram tour. Let's go, check it out. It's been a while since I've been in Universal Studios, but the main goal of the day is to check out the studio tour. Right now we're gonna check out the 60th studio merch. Oh, they're $43. These popcorn buckets go for $43. And they make noise. It's a movie studio shirt they have. Nothing too special. This is the Spirit jersey, and it's $75. They have a little car. I guess this is a poster. A 60th sweater. And this one is $60. It's in a little container with taffies in here. It says saltwater taffies, $35. And I guess these are some pens they selling. No price. This shirt right here, $70. $60 for this studio tour 60 jacket. That's the back. And yeah. I got a backpack. Got a mug. Milk chocolate of the studio tour bus. Some lanyards, and that's about it. There's Beetle Juice walking around like always. Everybody knows Beetle Juice. Oh, it's Dracula in the middle. And last time I was here, he tried to bite my neck.
Thanks, Cappy.
He's so evil looking. I came over here to look and see how the progress is going on this big roller coaster they're gonna build. I guess over there, that's gonna be the show building. This might be support beams for track. I don't know. But yeah. Might be a next year thing. But wow. I can't wait for it. There go Krusty the Clown doing meet and greet. Time for the studio tour.
The unorthodox practice of inviting the public on tours at his movie studio. Fans were given a rare glimpse behind the camera. But as the silent film era ended, our story began. 1964.
Make sure you guys grab those 3D glasses and head all the way down.
The 60th. Wake up, guys! Well, hi, thank you. And then I'll be 9 and then
books. You always have to pay homage to
Everything related to the 60s.
And for me, it started carrying stuff in the street illegally. You know, tagging billboards.
Alright, do watch out on your left hand side.
Now, we do not get to see this every day on the tour. This is special just for you guys. It is honestly my favorite part of the whole lot.
An instrumental part of the process of designing these murals was getting to go to the Universal Archive. Going there, I got to see in person props from the movies, photos from behind the scenes, original illustrations from those movie posters, all this stuff. I had an early affection for movie monsters. I was always fascinated.
British soundstage. It is Hollywood's only two-story soundstage, so it is in high demand right now. Now there is a production actively filming in here, but they are at lunch, so we have gotten permission to bring you guys in while the crew is on break. This is very special. You can see all of the equipment around. We have a camera, we have some lights. You can even see the hair and makeup in the corner back here and the craft service table. That is everyone's favorite because that is where all the snacks are. Now this is a very special opportunity for you guys, so take pictures, hold on to your phones though, don't drop them. I cannot get out and touch anything. This is a hot set. originally opened 35 years ago in 1989. We just reopened it a few weeks ago for our 60th anniversary with a complete Hollywood makeover, updating all of the props and movie-making equipment, bringing the set into the 21st century. Our attraction was inspired by the disaster classic Earthquake. The movie Earthquake will be celebrating its 50th anniversary. Uh-oh, it looks like there's another shark in the water. Hey George, buddy, are you out there? Hey George, I'm thinking you shouldn't be out there. There's a shark. George? No. Oh, poor George. You know, it really takes a lot of guts to be out there. Oh, and there they are. Don't worry, everyone. Marvin and I do have a plan. We're going to take cover right behind this dock. Now, I had him put some shark bait in that yellow barrel in the ocean earlier. So if the shark takes the bait, we should be golden. Okay, good. It's taking the bait and the pier. Look out, everybody, it's Jaws! Don't worry, everyone, that's just our shark Bruce. He's named after the shark used in the movie Jaws, and that shark was actually named after Steven Spielberg's lawyer. If you look to your right, you can see the only shark in the entire world that can do the backstroke. Our shark does have one other fin up on the one used in the movie, and that's that ours actually works. The original shark delayed production so much that it added an additional 100 days to their schedule. It also more than tripled the original budget. Now, one thing that happens in the climactic scene in Jaws that really adds a lot to it, if you ask me, is it rains. You're probably wondering how we make it rain like that here in sunny Southern California, and we're going to give you a little weather demonstration to show you how. But first, here to tell you more about it is the Today Show co-host and weather anchor, Al Roker.
A special effect. In fact, to demonstrate how weather effects are created, we debuted our first major effect detail on the studio tour way back in 1968. Welcome to the only part of the backlot with a 100% chance of rain. The flash flood.
We use strobe lights for the thunder and sound effects for the lightning. And here comes that flash flood that we were warned about. That is our flash flood. It is the oldest attraction here on the backlot.
Is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision we forget to sit down and talk about War of the Worlds. I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see. You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep your eyes on me. Listen, listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Down closed. Robbie, get in. Get in.
That airplane on your right-hand side is an actual 747. We purchased that from an aircraft graveyard in the Mojave Desert, and we broke it up into 4 pieces and drove it here on flatbed trucks. The plan was originally to put the plane back together once it arrived here, but Spielberg liked how it looked so much torn apart that it was decided to leave it like that. And coming up on your right is a highlight of the original studio tour from 1964. That is Norman Bates' house from Alfred Hitchcock's movie Psycho. Coming up next is our official scale replica of LA's most iconic landmark, the Hollywood sign. While we are celebrating our 60th, the Hollywood sign has been commemorating its centennial year. Our version of the sign is a scale model. The letters on your right are 10 feet tall, while the original letters stand at 45 feet tall. For the first few decades of the studio tour, one of the hallmarks was
It's a photo opportunity with Norman Bates' car. The famous Bates Hotel. Waiting for him to pop out.
From the back of you.
Is he coming out?
Yeah, that's so great.
Where's the body? There you go.
Norman, can I get a picture with
It's a photo opportunity with the Fast and Furious cars. This is a big old shark. This shark is bigger in person. It's a photo opportunity with King Tom hand. Alright, to do these photo ops, you need like at least an hour or more because the lines are long and it's crazy. And yeah, be patient. You're gonna be like an hour or more, easy.
Kids in that old 90s movie Kids Share. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? library. A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. It's not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy, a world of your town lies a central city. It is smack dab in the center of the beautiful hotspot. Welcome to the world.
Right now we are headed towards part of the studio where we once had an attraction called the Doom Glacier Expedition, better known as the Ice Tunnel. It was featured in an episode of the $6 Million Man. Hey, don't it's not just
Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime.
I got the bull by the horn! I got company! Witness is mine, Lenny!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Find them!
Where to go, buddy?
Drone's lining up the missile shot!
Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got you.
Over, don't shoot! Head on the bridge! Under construction! Everybody hold on!
Hit the nitrous.
The trucks that the bad guys are driving in the beginning, like the one with Shaw's on the back of, those are modeled after a truck that Paul Walker owned. So even though he couldn't be in the attraction, he is still here. And
Well, that's the Tram tour, 60s Tram tour at Universal Studios. I didn't see Back to the Future area. I didn't see Jurassic Park area. But it was a good tour. Photo ops take you about an hour, 2 hours. Crazy. Besides that, like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll catch you on my next one.